Este es el video de ejercicios del nivel 2, lección 8. Unir oraciones. And, but, so, para la palabra so.
Cada frase se dirá 2 veces. Después de la segunda vez, tú la repites.
I am tired, so I am going home. I am tired, so I am going home. It is raining, so we stay inside. It is raining, so we stay inside. She was late, so she ran. She was late, so she ran.
He is sick, so he stays home. He is sick, so he stays home.
I was hungry, so I ate. I was hungry, so I ate. It was hot, so we opened the window. It was hot, so we opened the window. Unir ideas. I was tired, so went home. I was tired, so went home. I studied hard, so passed the exam. I studied hard, so passed the exam. She was late, so ran to school. She was late, so ran to school. He was sick, so felt weak. He was sick, so felt weak. I was hungry, so ate. I was hungry, so ate. I was hot, so took my jumper off. I was hot, so took my jumper off.
Muy bien, escucha otra vez. Repite hasta que puedas decir cada frase fácilmente en inglés.